Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by taking control of basics. Close Chrome and make sure you have admin rights. Open Windows Settings or Mac OS Network panel. Once there, disable any manual proxy entries so Chrome can use direct connections. If you run a VPN or antivirus web shield, turn them off briefly. This removes a common conflict. After making these changes, restart your machine. This ensures network stacks reset. Once done, reopen Chrome and attempt to load any page to see if the proxy error persists. Now you'll dig into Chrome and the OS. In Chrome, reset settings to default so extensions and flags aren't forcing proxies. Use the reset option and check Chrome//net internals if you need deeper troubleshooting. Next, flush DNS to clear stale records. Use ipconfig/flushdns on Windows or the Mac OS command shown. This helps name resolution. Finally, reset TCP/IP stacks on Windows with netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset. Finish by systematically restoring services. Re-enable your VPN and antivirus one at a time while testing Chrome. This helps pinpoint the culprit. If the error remains, create a fresh Chrome profile or reinstall Chrome to remove corrupt user settings. Also test with another browser or connect via a mobile hotspot to verify if the problem is device-specific or network-wide. If nothing works, use the troubleshooting tip. Boot into safe mode with networking, then repeat tests. This isolates third-party software interference quickly and clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.